Good morning, friends, and welcome for Nifty analysis from sharetrading.school.com. Today, 12th December 2016, Nifty weekly chart. I'll just discuss with you because at this moment we can see that there is an important resistance which we can easily observe, and that is 50 EMA. So current price after recovering from support at 100 EMA is now testing resistance at 50 EMA. So this 50 MA will act as a resistance at this moment. Still accumulation as far as pattern is concerned in weekly chart. So probably this resistance need to be crossed with rise in a volume. 8,257 is a placement of 50 MA, and at this moment price is around 8,261. So marginally it is above, but considering this, one can consider this as at this moment we are testing resistance, and proper pattern can be seen. Proper bullish pattern can be seen only after 8,385, that is 20 EMA breach. So after 8,257, we have a next resistance level, that is 8,385, that is 20 EMA. So this week probably market will actually try and test 8,385. So comfortably we will have to say 8,400 level need to be crossed, and then we will see that market will start a new bullish pattern. To justify this, I'll just check it with the daily chart. In daily chart, if you look at daily chart analysis, then at this moment we can see that 8,345 and 8,387, that is a 100 EMA. So as far as our daily chart is concerned, 8,387 is a level, and that is the reason again 8,400 level become a crucial level. So at this moment, after this 8,300 and 57, we needed to break 8,387 to 97. So 8,400 level, to be precise, need to be checked. That after that we will see a bullish pattern. There is a W formation. If you look at this, then we can see easily that there is a W formation, and this W formation yet to be completed. It has not yet completed, because if you plot a line from here, I'm sorry, I'll just make it more thinner. Then if you look at this, these can be considered as W formation. So this is basically nothing but a bullish pattern, but then this trend line which we have plotted earlier can act as a resistance, as we said again and again that this trend line need to be tested. So remember this trend line. Unless we cross this trend line, we will not see a proper bullish pattern. So though the shape is bullish, but the trend is at this moment consolidation to bearish. So resistance can be tested at this moment as far as our daily chart also is saying. And I'll just quickly make analysis in our hourly and 2 hourly chart. This 2 hourly chart, if you consider 2 hourly chart, I'll just convert this into 2 hourly chart and check. We have just crossed our 100 EMA in 2 hourly chart. I'll take a more time frame into early chart so that we can easily able to see this. 100 EMA is cross, and up, as far as 2 hourly chart is concerned, we are above 100 EMA, testing support at 100 EMA. So after crossing 20 EMA to 50 north, at this moment 20 EMA is in between 50 and 100. So this is a pattern of consolidation. Only matter of worry is that RSI's current high is lower than the previous high, whereas corresponding price, if you compare, then at this moment that corresponding price is creating a higher high formation, and that is the reason we can say that divergence started setting in. It is not yet completed, divergence is not completed or formed properly, but it started setting in. So that is the reason there is a matter of worry. Market is not overbought, but at this moment divergence has started coming. And 2 hourly chart, instead of 2 hourly chart, if you again go back to our hourly chart, that moment we can easily see that there is about crossover of this 50 and 100. This is actually crossover, which is an invalid crossover, and that basically brings price down. When 50 crosses 100 north, and then that crossover actually creates a invalid crossover. This is what we have actually seen in the past also. If I can show you few or one of the example, actually we'll come to know that what actually I mean. Invalid crossover is basically like this. See this 50 has crossed 100 from south. 20 EMA is above 50 EMA, but after that we can see that there is a consolidation to correction, and many a time actually it reverses the trend. Basically, even if you look at the a bullish trend, that time also you can see that this invalid crossover has actually bring Nifty down in many time in the past. So in my view, actually this is going to create a problem at this moment. See, invalid crossover. One more example I wanted to show, but unfortunately there is no invalid crossover formation here in current scenario. Crossover of 50 and 100 I wanted to show, so that you will come to know that what I really mean is here. This 100 50 20, if you consider this 100, below there is a 50, below there is a 20, and then there is a price. So this is a pattern of bearish, but price has recovered. So basically it takes price, actually price turns away from the trend, and that is the reason. If you see the pattern, price 20 50 and 100, so pattern is bullish, but price should come down. So at this moment we are expecting a correction in Nifty, and that correction will bring Nifty a little bit down from here, and probably that target I'll just plot it in our, if I take this as a swing low and this is a swing high, then 20 EMA 8224 and 8223, that is a first support level, and second support level 8190. So we are expecting correction at this moment. So correction can take Nifty to 8223 and 8191. Remember, this is a correction, and probably this invalid crossover will bring Nifty further down, but for to test support. So in my view, next strong support can be somewhere around 8200 level. So another 50% point correction from here we will expect, and this level, these two level 8191 and this 8180, that is 100 EMA, this level should act as a strong support. So we are expecting correction today in Nifty, and once Nifty comes down, then pattern will form, and then probably tomorrow or next week we will consider fresh or better strategy. So thank you very much and happy trading.